Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Make Money Now. Emoji apps are meant to be opened and closed quickly. Users probably only spend less than 10 seconds in the app itself. So you ask, how do developers get high user retention? After 30 years, emojis are still clutch. Whether you type emoji, emojis, emoticon, emoticons, or smileys in topappcharts.com, you'll see tons of apps flooding the top rankings. Apple originally introduced emoticons with iOS 4 after a huge number of requests from Japan, and emojis instantly became a classic. Now Apple has unveiled a new set of emoticons that have already captured the user's attention and are making serious money off of it. There's really nothing new with emoji apps. The functionality is exactly what the user wants, plain and simple. Emoji apps dominate the Apple algorithm by following the three given rules: ease of use, speed mobility, and user retention. Animated Emoji Pro has integrated games in their app. While searching for the right emoji, users get sidetracked and end up playing a game for several minutes. This boosts the app's rating within Apple's algorithm. Stick texting is a perfect example of an emoji app that dodged the competition and it's not going anywhere. Today, we're going to be talking about how to get paid to click on emojis. Make sure you stay, as you don't want to miss out on these amazing ways. Finding your way through Flaticon. The Flaticon site has almost every icon you can think of, and what's better is that its collection is growing every day. We're offering some simple tips on how to navigate your way around our site so that you can find and edit our icons with ease. The site has plenty of features, and we want you, as a valued user, to be able to take advantage of these. When searching for icons, you can find individual ones or packs full of multiple icons. You just have to click on the little tab next to the search bar to specify your needs. Pack icons usually possess a similar style. What's more, some packs will allow you to select whether the style is flat, lineal, or a lineal color. You can also create patterns with the pack. All you need to do is click on the Create Patterns option, which will open up a new window. To add certain icons, click on the ones you want, and to rearrange them, drag them with your mouse. You have the opportunity to edit each icon. All you have to do is make sure you're logged onto the Flaticon site. And if you don't have an account yet, you can create one quite easily. After that, just click on the icon, which will bring up a box to edit both the size and the color of an icon. For colored icons, click on the part you'd like to change and then select the color you would like. In regards to the size, you can decide whether to scale the icon up or down, suiting your needs. You have the option of different formats to download the icon. They normally come in PSG, SVG, EPS, and PSD formats. The collection option allows you to store all your selected icons in one place. When clicking on the icon in the edit box, there's an option to add it to your own collection. Then to access your collection, click on the 4 boxes button and a sidebar will appear. It's the perfect way to store all of your favorite icons in one place. For access to unlimited resources, why not sign up to Flaticon's premium membership? Every icon will be available to download and will get exclusive access to premium resources. The great thing about these icons is that they are versatile and can be used for both personal and professional projects. Now for the real work. Emojis are fun to use for nearly any occasion, and while there seems to be an endless number to pick from, learning to create your own emoji is the best way to get exactly what you want. Because let's face it, sometimes there just isn't an emoji for that exact expression on your face. When you create your own emoji, you can have it be anything you want: an object or a weather icon, symbol, facial expression, or something else entirely. You're limited only by your imagination and the ease of use of the emoji maker. How to create your own emoji on iPhone. Emojily is by far the best way to create your own emoji on an iPhone. It has a make from scratch option and a random method to generate emojis quickly. It's great for creating emojis of your emotions. When you use the new option from the app's home screen, you get several creation tools. From left to right, this is the order in which you make your emoji. Pick a template, like a multicolored base, a square face, or a taco head. Choose a pair of eyes. Decide on some eyebrows. Flip through the mouth options to find a suitable one. Add some facial hair if you want. Optionally pick some hand gestures. Select one of the objects to have your emoji stand out. Choose a hat for your emoji. Every option is customizable, so you can drag them around the emoji background, rotate them, and resize them using normal finger gestures. Tap the download button when you're finished to save your custom emoji to your gallery. How to create your own emoji on Android. Making your own emoji on Android is easy with the help of Emoji Maker. Something unique about this Emoji Maker is that as you're choosing the various parts of the emoji, you get to see a preview immediately. This helps you decide what to pick because you don't have to guess how it'll look if you select it. Here's how Emoji Maker works on Android. Tap New Emoji from the home screen. Choose a background for your emoji. It can be anything from a dog or bear face to a heart, vegetable, cat, or a circle. There are even animated backgrounds. Use the menu icons on the bottom of the app to pick eyebrows, eyes, a mouth, hand gestures, hair, facial hair, a mask, and more. Tap the check mark at the top right to save your custom emoji to the gallery within the app. Tap the emoji and then the share button to share it through any of your apps. Tap the emoji and then the share button to share it through any of your apps. Bitmoji is another great option for creating emojis on Android and iOS. The emoji you can make in that app are usually far more complex looking in that there are captions and full scenes, but they're still really easy to make. Similar is Chutto, but it's marketed more as a messaging app with live augmented reality emoji that sits on top of your real face. How to create your own emoji from a computer. The free online emoji maker at Labely is an excellent resource for building your own emoji. You can use the full screen of your desktop computer to make large emojis by picking a shape, background color, eyebrows, facial features, accessories, and text. When you're done, you can share the emojis over Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter, or save it to your computer to do with it as you wish. Emoji Maker is similar, but is much easier to save to your computer. There are lots of options for face shapes and other features, and a built-in text tool that lets you write on your emoji. The PZAP Emoji Maker is another option for computer users. Several of the options cost, and a high-quality export isn't free either, but there are still lots of unique emoji building tools, and the standard quality export is definitely still good enough. As you can see, there are a lot of ways to make your own emoji. You can do it on your computer, from your Android or iPhone, or even on your tablet. Some of these methods are better than others if you want to send the emoji via your phone's keyboard, but others are great for emailing or Facebooking the emoji from a computer or using the emoji in other projects. No matter which method you use, making your own emoji is undeniably fun. Creating a brand new emoji that most other people aren't using can make you stand out in group messages and may even have your friends reusing your emoji. Thanks for watching, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!